If you need to reset your two-factor authentication on Afterpay, follow these steps to ensure you regain access to your account securely. Step 1. Access the Afterpay app or website. Open the Afterpay app on your mobile device or visit the Afterpay website on your computer. Log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section. This is usually found in the menu, often represented by your profile icon or a settings gear. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication options. In the account settings, look for the security or two-factor authentication options. This section will provide details about your current authentication method. Step 4. Initiate the reset process. Select the option to reset or change your two-factor authentication. You may need to verify your identity through a security question or by receiving a code via email or SMS. Step 5. Set up a new authentication method. Follow the prompts to set up a new two-factor authentication method. This could involve linking a new phone number or using an authentication app. Make sure to save any backup codes provided. After completing these steps, your two-factor authentication should be successfully reset. Always ensure your account is secure by keeping your authentication methods updated.